All right, so hello. I haven't picked up this camera in several days. Today is April 27th. I was like talking to you guys about going to get my shot, my allergy shot. I came home and then Naya was like crying. She was in a ton of pain, so we ended up going to the ER and things like that so they can get her pain under control. So she was like in horrible pain. She was throwing up, dry heaving. She was like I can't think of the word. She was dry heaving. She was like shaking, like having, oh, she was hyperventilating. Lord, I can't think of the word. But she was doing all that. Sorry for shaking the camera, you guys. I'm trying to get comfortable. But she was doing all of that and had to take her to the ER so they can give her some medicine so that she can get, or they can get her like pain under control. But she is doing so much better now. Like, well, she still have the pain, but not like to the point where it was crippling. So she's doing much better. Anyways, I am on my lunch break. I have been training all this week. That's another reason why I haven't been picking up the current camera. I've had training all week. Today's Thursday. Thank God tomorrow is Friday. I've had enough. I need to find another job, you guys, because yeah, I mean, yes, people have worked for people that have no accountability. Like, what is wrong with y'all? Just stop. My glasses look dirty. But anyways, like, where's your accountability on your part? You can't blame somebody else all the time. Like, I can't blame anybody for my failures at work. Something has to do with me as well. But yeah, I am about to I need to find me another job. I'm about to be a geriatric stripper at this part, y'all. Like, we're the geriatric strip clubs, because at this point, well, I look like I'm looking up. I need to figure out what's going on with my camera. I don't know. But anyways, like I was saying, I need another job. Or not another job, because I don't want a second job. I need a different job. I keep looking down because I keep getting text messages, so that's why I keep looking down. Oh, did you guys hear that Jerry Springer died? I'm so sad. Well, by the time this go out, everyone will more than likely have heard, or a lot of people would have heard, that Jerry Springer passed away today. I'm so sad. He was like the best TV, like, what was it, daytime TV he used to come on. Then I think they made him go to night or something. I can't remember. But back in the 90s and early 2000s, he was the best host, TV show host. I liked all the ratchetness. Who didn't like all that ratchetness? But anyways, I'm just talking to talk, y'all. I'll pick you up later if I do anything spectacular. Good afternoon, everybody. So I just got dressed. I don't care if my shirt wrinkled. You can tell that it's wrinkled. But I just got dressed. It's like 3 o'clock basically. And now I'm about to go run some errands. Yeah, that's about it. That's all I'm about to do. I got on here, I don't know, I got on here for a reason. I literally just grabbed my camera. I was like, oh, let me tell y'all this. I don't know, but anyways, today is the 29th, I think. It's Saturday. I want to say it's the 29th. I ain't got my watch on. I think it's 29th. Yes, today is the 29th. And like I said, I am getting ready to actually go run my errands. And yeah, that's about it. I'm tired. I had insomnia last night and I'm tired. I was up just like staring into space. Like, please, body, go to sleep. Anyways, that's all I had to say. Like, I literally have trying to break my glasses off. I'm about to just take y'all along with me. You guys know sometimes I forget to take my my camera out. Oh, I do need to go buy a new camera stick. I don't know. I keep losing my other camera stick. At this point, I give up because I'm forever losing it. So I am gonna go ahead and get me another one, just like as a backup when I can't remember what I did with. But listen, glasses, why are you acting like this? These glasses are filthy. Bruh. Yeah, I'll pick y'all up later because I need to get my life together first before I even talk to y'all. I ain't gonna get my life together. I don't know what's going on with these stupid glasses. Still trifling. You know what? I give up. Good, oh yeah, oh well. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is April 30th. It is 9:45 a.m. Ambrose and I are on our way to, what's it called, Snooze? Snooze is a breakfast spot, and we wanted to try it out. It has like some vegan stuff on their menu as well, so I'm excited about that. I'm hungry, like I'm starving. Y'all know I've been up since the crack of dawn, so I'm starving. How long? God Lord, it's 30 minutes away. I ain't gonna eat for like another hour and a half.
Hopefully they ain't got
Watch out for the kitty. Watch out for what I call that cat? What's that cake that everybody? Oh, I know.
The route
Marble.
guidance will start now.
Marble. Watch out for marble. That nasty marble cake. Ugh, I hate marble cake. But that's what that cat looked like.
Turn left on.
All right, so today is May 3rd. It is 7:15 p.m. You guys, I haven't picked up this camera in days. I don't even know the last time I picked it up, but I haven't been feeling so great. Not like sick, but I just been, I don't know, like overwhelmed, and I just had to take days off from doing stuff. Like I just been, I don't know, like, you know, sometimes you just get sad. I don't know. I'm have to see. I don't know if I need to see a doctor. I don't know if it's depression or what. I mean, I don't know, you guys. I just literally, I just work and lay in the bed. Like when I get off, I just lay in the bed and do nothing. But I'm feeling a little better today, so that's why I'm picking up the camera. Like I do think I need to see a doctor because it's happening more often than I would. I mean, no one wants it to, but it's happening more often. So I don't think I want to be put on medication, but maybe I need to just talk to someone. I don't know. I just been just sad. It's so weird because some days I'll be like, oh, I'm good, I'm good. I'm like up on a, not a high, but manic, and then I'll come down and I'm just like sad. So I don't know. I mean, I just don't know. And my room is a hot mess. Like everybody knows that I like a nice clean area, a nice clean house, and this room is a hot mess. I'll probably clean this room tomorrow. As long as I'm feeling better tomorrow, I'm gonna have to do it clean with me for my other channel. And that's another thing, like I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I'll pick you out later. Good morning, beautiful people. So today is Saturday. I think today's the 6th. Yeah, Saturday, May 6th. It is 8:18 a.m. and I've been up since like 5:30. I told y'all before that I'm a morning person. So right now I'm about to I'm about to make the bed. Ambrose is downstairs watching TV or something, not what he's doing, but I'm about to make the bed, and then I'm gonna make me some breakfast. My room needs to be clean, but I'm not gonna clean it because I do need to film a cleaning video. If you're not following me on my cleaning channel, head on over to At Home with Evita. If you're into just being motivated to clean, maybe you need to clean an area in your house, head on over there and I bet you'll get some motivation from me. But anyways, like I was saying, I'm about to go ahead and make this bed. I know y'all see me make my bed 1,000 times, but let's make it 1,001. Y'all, I went downstairs and I ended up just getting watermelon and grapes for breakfast today, and I ended up making a short. So if you want to check out that short, it's going to be on my vegan channel. Just very quick. It was just ASMR. But yeah, that's about it. I need to clean this room, but my Spanish classes start in 2 hours. And when I clean, I like to clean. I don't know how to straighten up. Like, maybe I do, I don't know. I just prefer to like clean. Take my time cleaning. Oh, child, my arm. And that's about it. But this room is a hot mess. I do need to clean it. I have been like washing my clothes. I started washing clothes yesterday. Like, oops, sorry, I can see my hair tie. Started washing clothes yesterday. Towels and my clothes. And now I got loads. I don't allow them to touch my washer or dryer. Amber's talking about some, when we getting our hair done? Boy, my own business. I ain't get my hair done for another 2 weeks. And I ain't taking this out for another week. So, I don't care. I don't go nowhere anyway, so. It probably do look bad in the back because I'm forever clipping my hair in the back. And I can feel where it's frizzy back there. Where I took the clip out and everything. Like, in and out, in and out. But anyways, y'all. Talking too much. I will pick you up later. Yeah. I done did so much. And I keep forgetting pick up the what is this? The camera. But now my classes, or my Spanish class, is about to start in like 4 minutes. Yeah, no, I can't say. I just squint my eyes. I was about to lay my edges down, but I'll wait till after my Spanish class simply because I need to put my band on. I'm sorry if y'all can hear me chewing, but I'm eating this, some nuts. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but yeah, this camera, I don't know. It be acting crazy sometimes. Alright, I'll pick you up later because I literally picked up the phone or the camera to say nothing when I've been doing a lot. Bruh. Where'd that go? But anyways, I'll pick you up later. Oh, you know what? I'll pick you up in a little bit. Es Evelyn.
La chica es tu mamá o es otra? Otra, another, es otra. La chica en Chicago es tu mamá o es otra, Evelyn?
No, es mi mamá. Mi mamá es otra.
Okay, tu
Evelyn.
mamá es otra Evelyn. Muy bien. Okay. Entonces tu mamá es otra Evelyn.
Sí.
Okay. ¿Y tu mamá está en Youngstown, Ohio?
No. Guess who's back, y'all? Look at this chick. Say hi, Raya. This chick. Just get your leg down. Now. Good Lord. Hooligan. All right, so right. These are our shirts.
I hear what you're saying, but.
All right, you guys.
On your vlog.
Boy, bye. Anyways. I got papers on you, so you be on whatever I say you on.
First of all.
Anyways, y'all, we on our way to the Strawberry Festival. Now I did my edges. I didn't even look at them. She's like, "Can I do your edges?" And I said, "Yeah." Who knows? She probably got me looking like
what? Oh.
Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up, Ambrosia.
Your edge.
Says the bald head person. Like, what's under here? Nada.
Take one to know one.
Not a strand.
What's
Not a
under
strand.
your helmet? Your braided helmet.
Boy, bye. Let me go. I ain't even buckle up knowing this man don't know how to drive. Knowing this ninja don't know how to drive. Yeah.
Outside. No coof.
That's why you married me.
I married you because I know you a voodoo queen too.
A voodoo queen?
Put a root on you. Buried my drawers in the yard.
Boy, bye. It was that spaghetti.
That too.
This dude, when I first met him, he was all hesitant to eat my spaghetti. And then he ate it, and I was like, I got you for life. Oh, it's probably windy, y'all. Sorry.
whole 2 hours.
Then it got
There's mashed fries. It's all the short fries. And that's a satisfactory food. So,
lemonade. We can make lemonade.
right. Dessert.
We are in line for the shuttle. Let me show you guys how long the line is for the shuttle. Start is way up there. Wraps all the way here. We're right here. And goes all the way back there. Super long line. Alright, so we are back. I am tired. It is 5 minutes to 6. I am about to take a shower and put on some different clothes. It was so hot out there, you guys. It was only, right now it's only 75 degrees, but the sun is, whew, yeah. Like, I'm about to just take a shower and then relax. Like, walking around that much when you this young, I know, when you my age is a no-no. Did I show y'all our shirts? I think I tried to show y'all earlier, but for our other channel, I hear what you're saying, but we do need to record something over there. And did I show y'all where Nia tried to do my edges? And I told her, Nia, my hair isn't like yours. Mine is not going to lay like that, but she wanted to do it anyway. She had me out there looking like a fool, but it is what it is. All right, I'll pick you up later.